Hey, Lily, can I tell you something?
Of course, Sam. What's on your mind?
I feel strange saying this, but sometimes I feel very nervous speaking English.
Thank you for saying that.
Really?
Yes, because many people feel the same way.
You know, I understand English. I can listen to podcasts, I can read, but when I want to speak, my mind goes blank.
That is very common.
It is?
Yes, especially for English learners.
Sometimes I know the words, but my mouth doesn't move.
That happens to me too sometimes.
You too?
Yes, even confident speakers feel nervous sometimes.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Could you keep informing?
Lily,
Why do so many people feel nervous speaking English?
there are many reasons.
Like what?
Some people are afraid of making mistakes. Some are afraid of their accent. Some are afraid people will judge them.
Yes, I feel all of that.
You are not alone.
Sometimes I think, what if they laugh at me?
Sam, most people are not judging you.
They're not?
No, most people are thinking about themselves.
That's true.
And many people actually admire you.
Admire me?
Yes, because you are speaking a second language.
I never thought about it that way.
Here's a very important sentence for English learners.
Okay.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
I feel nervous when I speak English.
That sentence is honest, and honesty is powerful.
Sometimes my heart beats fast when I speak English.
That's fear.
Yes.
Fear means you care.
So, fear is not bad?
No, fear is a sign you're trying.
That feels different.
Good.
Lily, do confident English speakers never feel nervous?
No one feels confident all the time.
Really?
Honestly.
Confidence grows with practice.
Practice again.
Yes. Lily, what if someone stops speaking because of fear?
That's very common.
I've done that before.
Stopping doesn't mean failing.
It doesn't?
No, it means you are protecting yourself.
I like that.
And you can always start again.
Even today?
Especially today.
Lily, in the next part,
We'll talk about why fear happens and how to feel calmer when speaking English.
and we'll share something important at the end.
So please stay with us.
So, Lily, after our last conversation, I feel a little lighter.
I'm glad.
But I still don't fully understand one thing.
What is it?
Why does fear happen when we speak English?
That's a very good question.
I'm ready.
Fear happens because your brain wants to protect you.
Protect me?
Yes, your brain thinks speaking English is dangerous.
But it's not dangerous.
You know that, but your brain doesn't.
So my brain is trying to help me?
Exactly.
That's interesting.
When your heart beats fast, your hands feel cold or your mind goes blank.
Yes,
That's your brain saying, be careful.
that happens to me before I speak.
Many people feel the same.
So how do we tell the brain it's okay?
We speak kindly to ourselves
How?
with simple sentences.
Okay.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
When you say these sentences, your body starts to relax.
So fear is not my enemy.
No, fear is a message.
A message saying, be careful.
Yes, and you can answer that message.
What should I say?
I am safe.
I am safe.
That sentence is very powerful.
I usually tell myself, don't make a mistake.
Try changing that.
To what?
Just try.
Just try.
Simple words can change how you feel.
Sometimes I stop speaking because I feel embarrassed.
That's also very common.
I feel embarrassed about my accent.
Your accent is not a problem.
It's not?
No, your accent tells your story.
I like that.
Many people around the world speak English with accents.
So, accent is normal.
Very normal.
Do native speakers make mistakes too?
All the time.
Really?
Yes, they forget words, they say the wrong thing.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Thinking about it, Lily, what should someone do before speaking English?
Take a deep breath.
Okay,
Breathe in slowly and breathe out slowly.
that helps.
Your body needs calm before your words come out.
Curious. Lily, what if fear doesn't go away?
Then you speak with fear.
Speak with fear.
Yes, you don't wait for fear to disappear.
That feels brave.
It is.
In the next part,
We'll talk about small speaking habits that slowly build confidence.
and we'll share easy English sentences you can use every day.
So please stay with us.
So, Lily, after listening to what you said, I feel calmer, but I still wonder how confidence really grows.
Confidence grows slowly, Sam. It doesn't come in one day.
Sometimes I feel confident in my room, but outside when people listen, I feel nervous again.
That's very normal. Confidence changes depending on the situation.
So, how do I make confidence stronger?
By creating small speaking habits.
Small habits?
Yes, not big conversations, not long speeches.
Then what kind of habits?
Simple habits you can do every day. For example, speaking one sentence out loud.
Just one sentence?
Yes, one sentence is enough.
Like talking to myself?
Exactly. You can talk to yourself in English.
That feels strange.
It feels strange at first, but it helps a lot.
What kind of sentence should I say?
You can say simple things. For example, today is a good day, or I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Very good. That sentence builds confidence.
I usually wait until my English feels perfect.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Why not?
Because perfect English never comes first. Practice comes first.
Practice before confidence.
Yes,
Sometimes I compare myself to others.
that can make fear stronger.
I see people speaking fluently and I feel small.
Remember, you don't see their beginning, you only see their result.
That's true.
Everyone starts somewhere.
Lily, do you still practice English?
Yes, I practice speaking clearly and calmly.
Even now?
Learning never stops.
That makes me feel less pressure.
Good. Learning should not feel heavy.
Sometimes I feel afraid to start a conversation.
Then start very small.
How small?
You can start with one word. Hello? Hi? Thank you.
That feels easier.
Small steps are powerful.
I thought confidence means speaking fast and perfectly.
Confidence means speaking calmly and clearly.
Calm, not fast.
Yes, speaking slowly is okay.
I like that.
Here's a sentence you can use. I need a moment to think.
I need a moment to think.
That sentence gives you time.
That's very useful.
Yes, English is not a race.
I think my fear comes from pressure.
Pressure makes fear louder.
How do I reduce pressure?
Change your goal.
Change my goal?
Instead of I must speak perfectly, say I want to communicate.
I want to communicate.
Communication is more important than grammar.
That changes everything.
Yes, people want to understand you, not test you.
That makes speaking feel safer.
Good.
Lily, in the next part,
We'll share the final message and simple sentences that help you speak English with confidence.
and we'll remind our listeners of something very important.
so please stay with us until the end.
We'll finish this conversation very soon. Let's keep going, Lily. After everything we talked about, I feel different.
Different how?
I feel less afraid of speaking English.
That makes me very happy.
I think my fear was telling me I had to be perfect.
You never needed to be perfect.
Then what do I need?
You need courage and practice.
Courage comes before confidence.
Yes, confidence grows after you start.
I always waited to feel ready,
Most people do.
but waiting made my fear stronger.
Action makes fear quieter.
So even small action helps?
Very much.
What if I still feel nervous every time?
Then you speak with nervousness.
Speak with nervousness?
Yes, nervous English is still English.
That feels comforting.
Good.
Lily, can I say something to our listeners?
Of course.
Sincerely and emotionally. If you are listening to this and feeling scared to speak English, you are not weak.
You are brave.
You are trying something new.
And trying means you are growing.
Your accent is not a problem.
Your mistakes are not failures.
They are steps forward.
If you understood this conversation, your English is improving.
Even if it doesn't feel like it yet.
Progress is happening quietly.
Learning English is not about being better than others.
It's about being better than yesterday.
If this conversation helped you feel calmer, please like this episode.
Subscribe to English Storytime Tales for more easy conversation podcasts.
Share this with someone who feels nervous speaking English.
And write in the comments, what makes you feel nervous when speaking English?
We read every comment.
You are not alone on this journey.
We will talk again very soon.
Until then, be kind to yourself
Keep practicing.
and keep learning.